In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the steps to create Kakao account. To create an account for Kakao, you must have downloaded the application on your device. After the application has been downloaded, simply tap open the application. From there you can see a similar interface. Now to sign up, simply tap on the sign up option. In order to continue, you'll need to agree to all these terms and conditions of the application. If you want, you can also read all these terms and conditions before you hit continue. The next step is to type in your mobile number. You can select your country and then type in your mobile number. Next, tap OK. You will receive a verification code on the mobile number that you just entered. You will need to enter the code to continue. After you enter the code, in the next section, you will be presented with two boxes where first you will need to create a password, then again you will need to reconfirm it. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. Make sure to include numbers, letters and special characters in your password. When you're done, you can tap on OK. From here, you'll need to type in your name. You can also choose to add in a photo if you want, and you can also add a date of birth and your gender, but those are optional. Then tap on OK. You can either choose to enter in your email address, or you can also skip this step. And just like that, you have created an account for Kakao.